Hello, I'm Chef Yes, and it's Saturday night. This is How Yes, Let's Cook. I'm gonna make crispy sesame pork. You can do this with your meat of choice. We have pork tenderloin here, and cut some nice little strips, okay? You can use beef, chicken, duck even. Fuck's sake, you can use tofu if you want to. Alright, so pork it is. Salt and pepper only. Pepper is a very prominent spice or seasoning in Chinese food. They use white pepper a lot as well. I have 2 containers of cornstarch. One we're going to dust the meat with. The other we're going to make a slurry with. Slurry. So, you get your nice little slurry. It's perfectly smooth. Just cornstarch and water. Come on over here. Ooh, that's a hot pan back there. Do be careful. I have a really oversized whisk, which I think I'm just gonna say fuck it to. And instead, we're going to go with my favorite, the delightful spanker. So, with a sauce to thicken with cornstarch. In here we have a little soda water, because regular water is boring. Tamari, honey, and sesame oil. That's right. So, you're going to have it hot. You're going to bring it to a boil. You want to make sure you're turning the right burner up. Okay. You're going to drizzle it in and stir as you drizzle. And it's going to get white and milky, and then suddenly it will come clear again. Keep stirring. See how it's getting darker again? Thickening. Oh my god, this is going to be perfect. So this is what we're going to drizzle over that pork. Dishes. So, now, the pork. This, a hefty amount, okay? It wants to be decently coated. You want to make sure that you don't have chunks all stuck together. Like that. Okay. Now come on back over. You can flick something at your oil to make sure it's hot enough. A breadcrumb, whatever. And you don't want to crowd it. Meat releases juice as it cooks. If it's too crowded, it's going to release its own juices and basically just boil itself, which will not give you anything crispy. So, let's get a little bowl. Let's get our favorite tongs. Do you see how quick that's happening? Flip them. Oh, they're already crispy. God, it's amazing. The miracle of cornstarch. It's really like, Chinese food is about quick. Quick, hot, and fast. Check it out. You got your meat. It's crispy. You're going to do a little drizzle of your sauce. Aaron, this would work great with tofu too. Dusted in cornstarch. Okay. Toss. So, also garnish this with sesame seeds, maybe some sliced green onion. I'm going to saute up some green beans. Come around here. I like to burn myself on live television. I love you guys. Dance on, dancers, and happy cooking.